Black Men's Mental Health Awareness Month comes to a close. A new initiative is launching this weekend in the Circle City. It's aimed at addressing emotional well-being, especially in minority communities, through the lens of film.
Wow.
To live and die and live.
It's a story about a guy who comes home the week his stepfather dies, and his struggles with an addiction. You know, there were people who were dealing with mental health stuff that the family or the friends just wrote off.
The film by Qasim Basir is being screened in Indianapolis for the first time, and it's a part of the launch of a new cultural storytelling initiative, Reels and Roots.
The point of creating Reels and Roots was to bring together people who wouldn't necessarily all be in the same room together.
For Reels and Roots, it's not just about showing a film here at the Phoenix Theater. It's about having a safe space to express yourself and address mental health.
Filming is one of the most powerful ways to, get a message across, cultural lines.
It really brings together the arts to have meaningful conversations around how do these films impact the way we think as a community.
Dr. Russell Aday, a resident at Indiana University School of Medicine, founded the new initiative with Raymond Powell. They wanted to find a relatable way to address mental health, especially in communities of color.
We haven't always necessarily had the access to. We always haven't had safe spaces.
To be able to see yourself on screen is very important. For a lot of black men in our community, we struggle with mental health awareness.
Why is addressing mental health something that's important?
You could think about it from a historical standpoint and talk about how we've been left out of these conversations. We could also think about it from a current standpoint. Suicide rates are not in a great place, specifically for Indiana.
According to the CDC, more than 400 Black Hoosiers have died by suicide since 2018. It's something the initiative hopes to improve by taking the conversation from the big screen to the community.
We can kind of open that up through a conversation through this film.
I think we need to build community around something that's familiar to all of us, which is film.
Everybody can't break down around here.
I want people to feel something.
The film screening, followed by the community conversation, will take place tomorrow at the Phoenix Theater starting at 4 p.m. Now, tickets are free, but any donations will go towards 2 local organizations doing reentry work.